How to redeem Hytale coupon code. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can input or redeem your Hytale coupon code. But I'm going to be showing you entering the coupon code upon purchase. So if you head straight directly into Hytale.com's official site, you'll automatically be redirected here. Now if you click on purchase, you'll be provided an options or features where you would like to purchase. Now, once you select any type of editions you want, if it's either for standard, supporter, or curse breaker, you'll automatically be redirected into the payment method. After you set up or after you input your payment method, then that's going to be the time that you should be able to see option as to where you can input creator code or your coupon code. To simply input the code that you have available and complete the purchase. And that's it. That's how you redeem Hytale coupon code.